2020, boys, girls total, boys, girls total, boys, girls total. Just a blank table. The total enrollment of BBA course was the same in the year 2021, of which 50 were boys. 60 for 40, 100, 80, 180, 120, 80. Just fill up the blank. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanian. You can call by name Dr. B.S. Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to have Business Statistics, second semester, Unit 1, Session 2, in favor of Introduction to Statistics. Problems and solution. So we have to prepare a blank table. No information should be fed, just a blank table. Prepare a blank. This will ask for 5 marks. Faculty, Arts and Commerce, class, UG and PG, undergraduation and postgraduation, sex, boys and girls. How to fill up this now? Faculty, Arts, Commerce total, UG, sex means boys, girls total, because only blank table. PG, boys, girls total, total boys, girls total. That's all. Only blank table they ask. We are put only a blank table. Which are the faculties are Arts and Commerce. What they have studied course are UG, undergraduation and post-graduation total. Sex, boys and boys, girls total, boys, girls total. 5 marks. Very easy, very easy. Now, second problem, year 2019-2020, course BBA, BCom, BCA, sex, boys and girls. So you have to put it here. Which are the years are 19 and 20, which are the courses are BCom, BBA, BCA, and boys, girls total, BBA, boys, girls total, BCA, boys, girls total. 2020, boys, girls total, boys, girls total, boys, girls total. Just a blank table. Here also 5 marks. So this is for 10 marks. Exam paper. July 2024 exam. Show the data in the table during the year 2020. The number of boys enrolled in the BCom course was 60, which the number of girls was 40. The total enrollment for BBA course was 80, of which 40 were boys. So, for the year 2021, the total number of students in the BCom course was 120, of which 50 were girls. The total enrollment of BBA course was the same in the year 2021, of which 50 were boys. This should be represented. First one, during the year 2020, the number of boys enrolled in the BCom course was 60. Here 2020, the boys enrolled was 60, which the number girls were 40, which the number girls were 40. 60 for 40 is 100. Then, the total enrollment for BBA course was 80, of which 40 were boys. The total enrollment for BBA course was 80, of which 40 were boys, means another 40 were girls. This goes to in favor of 2020. For the year 2021, the total number of students in the BCom course was 120, of which 50 were girls. The total is how much? 120, of which 50 were girls. The remaining 70 were boys. Just fill that, that's all. Then, the total enrollment for BBA course was the same in the year 2021, of which 50 were boys. So, last year also 80, this year also 80, of which 80, 50 were boys says. Of 80, 50 were boys, mean remaining 30 were girls. The total 60 plus 40, 100, 40 plus 40, 80, 100 plus 80 is 180. 70 plus 50 is 120, 50 plus 30 is 80, 120, 200. Just fill them. They will give the information, just fill them. Whatever missing figure is, just add it. That's all. Difference. If they give you 100, 60, remaining is 40, or 100 minus 40 is given, remaining is 60. Just fill up. So this is for 10 marks. So showing, table showing different course, year, 2020, 2021 and 6. Boys and girls. Table showing different course, year 2021, 6 boys and girls. So here they have mentioned, course they have mentioned, and sex means boys and girls, and there all the information has been feeded here. Very, very simple. 10 marks question. Very simple. This is a blank table here. You have to fill up UG, Faculty Arts and Commerce, UG Arts and Commerce, UG Boys Girls Total, PG Boys Girls Total. Then year 2019-20, the course are BCom, BBA, BCA. Then 2009 bar girl total, boys girls total. Here they will give the number of boys enrolled in the BCom course was 60, with the number girls was 40. 60, 40, 100. The total enrollment for BBA course was 80, of which 80 were 80, of which 40 were boys. 40 were boys, remaining 40 were girls. Then, for the year 2021, the total number of students in the BCom course was 120, of which 50 were girls. 120, 50 were girls means remaining 40 were boys. The total enrollment for BBA course was the same in the year 2021, of which 50 were boys. Same of 80, 50 were boys mean remaining 30. Make the total, that's all. 60 for 40, 100, 80, 180, 120, 80. Just fill up the blank. Hope you understand. So we'll meet in the next session with second chapter, Unit 2, Measure of Central Tendency, Mean, Median, Mode. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.